In this video, we are going to show you how to adjust line spacing in CorelDRAW. Now, this is for text, right? So if you have a document that has text here, so as you can see, we have a paragraph here from a TV show. If you want to adjust the line spacing for this, all you need to do is click on the text box. Make sure that it's like this, right? Now, you want to click on Windows and then click on Dockers and make sure properties is checked, right? If you look at objects, it's checked, right? And you're going to see objects here on the right hand side. We want to go to properties, so we need to enable this like so. There we go. And as you can see, properties is here, right? Now, under properties, you want to click on this option that says paragraph, right? So click paragraph, and now you can just adjust the paragraph. So character height, you can go to points, and then you can just adjust the points. You can make it, move it like that, or you can make it tighter, right? As much as you want. And then you can just adjust other points here as well. So that's how you do it in adjusting line spacing on your document in CorelDRAW. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.